My lord, we have a letter from a complainant.
Okay, what's this about?
It says, my wife demands 20,000 before intercourse. This topic go well. I want your court to ban her from making financial demand for me to sleep with her. No matter. Each time my Ebola rise, I have to worry about debit alert. Because my wife has turned sleeping with her to an income service business. Help me, my lord, because Olosho is cheaper if I consult them for their quick service. My wife has refused to let me enjoy my fundamental matrimonial rights in the bedroom. Help me save my money, my lord.
Not even save his marriage, save his money. First, what do you think about this matter? The woman is billing 20,000 naira for husband to knock. The debit alert is a big concern for the complainant.
Yes, so.
He believes Olosho is cheaper. And he's being denied his fundamental right.
Right.
You, as a woman, you go charge, make man knock you.
If na your husband, why you want make you even pay money?
I don't ask whether na husband.
Okay.
I want to know whether you dey do Olosho work as part-time work. You go charge, me man knock you.
No, nah.
So any man when like you now where they watch you, feel knock you for free.
No, nah. You not supposed to even feel knock me for free.
So that means you go charge.
I go get, yes, now go collect small money. So, I take guide.
This one a thief where you go recognize thief. So that means you dey feel the pain of the woman.
I dey feel he pay me for body.
Okay, as the matter day now, this woman they charge 20,000. To you, is the money too much or she not supposed to charge?
If I want talk now for this kind of matter, she be na in wife.
You know, say this court, now the truth where they your mind, now you go talk.
Yes.
You don't already talk, say you get small Olosho vibe. So the money when she charge, is it too much or may she not the charge?
No. If now where they don't marry, I go still support the woman. Maybe the man know they try. Now why she even ask him for this 20,000?
So that means the man feel not sabi knack. Now why she they charge for wasting of time?
That kind of thing, just to console herself.
So if this court wants support, make she they charge. How much you think say they reasonable? Make she they charge per knacking. Waiting we go call non-com fee. If she not fee come, we go call them non-com fee.
Okay.
How much you think say make she they charge?
Make she just they collect 20K like that now.
20K. If she they collect 20K, why you come make and be like saying a problem?
Not be saying a problem. Now where the man don't even bring the matter come. In they talk, take him like problem.
For your mind, you feel say could really help this family?
Yeah, we go help him, but we go follow the woman demand. The 20K they okay.
It dey okay?
Yes, it dey okay.
You see, the truth now say, I know say woman go support woman. It not good make she dey charge money for that kind of thing. I just want to know your mind. Now God not go judge you.
So if the man now no con sabi, make she come dey take am like that without money. The money now the consoling now.
Okay. Wetin we go do? We go put standard fee for man when not fit make him wife come. He go pay 10,000 naira.
That one dey okay.
So if the man knock 5 times in a week, if he not fit make him wife come for that 5 times,
it could be
he go pay
50,000.
50,000. So that one go make men tighten up their hustle to they make sure say to bring out water when they knock.
Definitely. My lord, you don't talk him.
But one thing I must say, this man suppose know say to give woman credit alert, it they make to bring out water. That is what we call financial orgasm. You want knock woman, you not give her money before you go knock.
She not go happy.
Toto not go wet because when there is butterfly in the stomach, when the woman happy, butterfly in the stomach, Toto go easily release water.
Before the man even done, he go down the drip, that kind of thing.
Okay, so I am going to pass judgment on this matter.
Okay.
But I need to check something. The money where the woman they collect, what should they use and they do?
She go use and maintain herself now.
Maintenance.
Yes. Because if money no dey, how she want to maintain the thing where the man want to enjoy?
Because to make Toto sweet, make Toto hungry person to lick, we have to keep Toto fresh.
Yes.
And that is expensive.
So those fish smell go come out. The man will feel lick plate as he like.
He must pay that 20,000.
That 20K self come too small for my eye.
No, we'll start with 20. You know as economy be. So now 20,000. But that is if enough he making wife come 20,000.
Okay.
But to knock,
it go be 10,000.
he must do 10,000. to knack. Why? Now say financial orgasm suppose happen before prick orgasm.
Not true. Because when the thing don't they go like that,
Because when
before they
Toto
start,
sweet woman, it go dey easy for Toto to sweet prick, and Toto go produce water where prick go swim
my
inside.
Lord, you don't talk and finish. So it go be.
This is my judgment, and you are going to send them a letter
Okay.
of my decree to make them know that my decision is that this man must always credit him wife before he knack him wife.
Yes, my Lord. Consider
Because
it
you
done.
can't be knacking dry Toto to heighten the hardship of the economy.
I
You
don't
need
do
to
things
make
like
sure
that.
the Toto wet, and when you do credit alert, that can give you chance to create what we call financial orgasm. So he must do credit alert
Before.
based on what they go agree on. If the wife permits 10K, fine. If she permit 5K, fine.
Okay.
If she demand 100K and the man fit pay 100K, fine.
No wahala.
But every family go decide how much
much?
man suppose credit woman first
As so.
before the man go chook prick. Because no matter how you marry that person, Toto no like hardship.
At all.
Toto no like dryness.
No like
So
am o.
every man needs to make effort to create financial orgasm before prick go enter Toto. So
Na so it go be.
we will start with him paying 10,000 naira for credit alert before he decides to pull prick, depending on the man's salary. If his income is above 100,000, he must do 20,000. If his income is above 300,000, he must do 40,000, regardless of how I take do the calculation. So this is my judgment. Make una go subscribe to our platform. Make una no dey miss this thing. Make una dey watch am. See, my name na Harrison Tito. What be that your fake name again?
Na Yobosa o.
Her name na Yobosa. Me na Harrison Tito. See, make una hit subscribe button now. If you hit subscribe button, you no go miss our next post.
Una no miss am o.